All right, you'll be speaking at the end then.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's go back to the next one. Asking directions in English. Okay. Now, how to ask directions in English, how to show the address, how to tell the address to anyone. We are going to see today here in our chapter number 16. As you can see here, chapter number 16, conversation A. Where's the airline's office? It's near the bus terminal, the central terminal. How far is it from here? About half a mile, I think. About half a mile, I think. All right. Now, where's the airline's
What is
office?
the meaning of mile?
माइल को क्या बोलते हैं? मीटर. मीटर किलोमीटर रहता है ना, माइल, जिसको आप लोग उर्दू में बोलते हैं मील. एक मील का फासला, 2 मील का फासला, माइल, किलोमीटर्स. Okay, so where's the airline's office? It's near the bus terminal, the central terminal. How far is it from here? About a half a mile, I think. About a half a mile, I think. मुझे ऐसे लगता है. So, can you please give me some sentences like this? Where's? Ask the people, where is? Where is? कहाँ है? Where is? Just a minute. That's what 16 December 2020. Yeah, can you please give me some sentences like this with where is? Yes.
Where is your father yesterday?
Where was your father yesterday? Not is. Where is the hospital? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? Many of the people, they say where was you yesterday? They are wrong. We must ask where were you yesterday? Not is and not was. Next,
मैं
continue please. What? Where's?
सर महल को क्या कहेंगे इंग्लिश में?
Castle, 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 castle.
Where's the castle of Queen Elizabeth?
Castle of Queen Elizabeth. Very good, castle. Yes, continue please.
The castle or castle?
Castle. Castle, American people. Castle, British people. Castle, not castle. Castle. Yes, continue please.
Where was your father? Where was your father do work?
Where does your father do work? आपके अब्बा काम कहाँ करते हैं? Where does your father do work? Yes.
Where were you visit to chill in your free time?
Very good. Where did you visit to chill in your free time? Next.
Where was your father? Where was your uncle went yesterday?
Where do you go to chill? And where did your uncle went? Where did your uncle go yesterday? Where did we go yesterday?
Mobile kept.
Correct. Where? Give me sentences with where. Faster.
Where do you go for lunch on your weekend?
Very good. Where do you go for lunch on the weekends? Yes.
Where did you go in your weekends to?
Very good. Where did you go in your weekends to enjoy? Next.
Where is your destiny wedding?
Very good.
Where did you go for school?
Very good. Yes. Mr. Goss, Mr.
Where
Sahil.
did you found that person?
Where did you fought with that person? Zainab,
In your
Where
past,
was your house?
where was your house?
in past, where do you live?
Where did you live in the past? Where did you live? Did past में
Where
आएगा.
was your sister-in-law live?
Where did your sister-in-law live? Not was. Did. Yes.
Where do
Where
you
was your father?
Where was your father?
where do you used to go in your vacations?
Where did you used to go in your vacations? Yes.
Where was
Did you go
your
last time?
cracking?
Very good. Very good.
Where was your father is chatting like a brave as a lion with your sister?
Oh my God. Continue.
Where did you find him?
Where did you find him? Very good.
Where did you find the people who is rotten apple?
Very good.
Where was you from the laser time?
Leisure time. Yes,
Where
please, all of you make sentences.
where were you from last term?
Very good.
Where do you
Where were you from last term?
where did you eat your food? Eat your lunch in weekends.
Good.
Where were you join your classes?
Where did you join your classes?
Where did you join your webinar for 1 month?
So what means
Exactly.
the webinar?
Webinars are which are held online. The seminars which are held online are called webinars.
Where do you go to play cricket?
Very good. Miss Safia makes sentences. Mr. Gauss makes sentences.
Where did your father has lost your sister has lost your brother-in-law?
Correct. Have you finished this one? Have you made sentences before? How far?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How
Very
far
good.
is your house?
Okay, could you please give me some sentences like this? It's near. It's near. For example, my destination is nearby. Or I'm by my near destination. I'm by the destination now. Yes, can you please give me some sentences with near? Near. Make sentences with near.
My house is near Makkah Masjid.
Very good. Yes, my house is near Makkah Masjid. Yes,
My
yes.
near to my house there is one shop for shop.
Is there any bank near here?
My college nearby resident.
Very good. Is there any bank near here?
Can you
Or
find a house nearby?
very good. I'm looking for a class nearby.
Near to jewelers, my house is there.
Very good.
My uncle and aunt live near Keter.
Very good.
My family live nearby the caters.
Okay. There are many bungalows nearby the sea. She went nearby the restaurant.
My father went for picnic near the bungalow.
Very good.
Is there any mosque to pray namaz?
To pray nearby. Is there any mosque to pray nearby?
The
I
Yes.
go
mosque
nearby
Yes.
my office.
Very good. Nearby my office.
Sir, mosque means
Masjid. Yes. Nearby.
Any shopping mall to shop?
Very good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How are you?
Sir, I'm in the bed of process.
Where are you today?
Sir, actually, I went out. I just came now.
Okay, so you are at home now, right?
Yeah, I just came. I have not even changed.
Oh my god, I thought you are out of station.
Is there any geographical area?
Very good. Is there any geographical area? Good.
The children in playing nearby home.
The children are playing nearby home. Good.
nearby home there is one swimming pool.
Very good.
Nearby it's a cold drink shop.
Very good.
nearby my house there is one vegetable shop.
Very good.
Pune College is just nearby Azam campus.
Very good. Anyone with nearby or near?
Is nearby the colleges.
Very good.
He is
Kulla
lost key
College is
nearby.
nearby Cambridge Tutorial.
He is lost key nearby shop.
Very good. He lost the key nearby the shop.
The
Yes.
donkey is nearby the school.
Very good.
The classes are nearby my house.
Correct. Anything else with nearby or near? Nearby or near?
Near to my house, there is one big mosque.
Okay. There is a big mosque nearby my house.
Airport is just nearby sea.
The airport is just nearby the sea.
The castle is nearby the grandparents' house.
Very good.
There is nearby hotel.
There is a hotel nearby. Miss
The
Safia,
restaurant
Mr. Nirvan, make
is
sentences.
nearby my house.
Very good. Mr. Sahil,
Sir, can you explain
Yes,
the
sir.
topic?
we have to make sentences only with the nearby. Nearby.
There are bears nearby.
There are
Can you
deers
find-
nearby.
Nearby me.
Good.
My father is standing nearby my friend.
Very good. Mufiz, just wait, please, my dear. Let the others
Can
make
you-
too.
Can you find a library nearby?
Very good. Can you find a library nearby?
You are just nearby me.
Good.
Canteen is just nearby college.
Very good. The canteen is just nearby the college. Next. Yes. Yes.
Failure is nearby success.
Very good. The failure is nearby success.
He
Nice.
drew near to him and stopped.
Very good. All right. Now we are going to go to the next one. Conversation B. Where's the post office? It's 3 blocks that way. What did he say? 3 blocks up that street. Okay. Where's the post office? It's 3 blocks that way. What did he say? 3 blocks up that street. Can you please give me some sentences like with what did you say?
So what does mean 3 blocks?
3 ब्लॉक छोड़कर. ब्लॉक मतलब ये नहीं हो सकता है कोई गली को बोल रहा होगा, वो कोई शॉप को बोल रहा होगा. और वहां पर एक्चुअली ब्लॉक्स क्या होते हैं पता है क्या? इंटरनेशनली फॉरेन कंट्रीज में मैंने देखा हूँ, ब्लॉक्स ऐसी थोड़ी थोड़ी जगह के ऊपर छोड़े हुए उन लोगों ने ये रखे रहते, बैरियर्स रखे हुए रहते हैं, उनको ब्लॉक्स बोलते हैं लोग. So what did you say? Can you please give me some sentences like this?
What did
What
you
did
say
he-
before finishing the conversation?
Very good. What did you say before finishing the conversation? What did you say about me to her? Yes. What did you say?
What
did you
did you say
complain?
to her about me that she went?
Ah, very good. What
What-
did you say about me to her that she left me? What did you say that to her that she slapped him? Continue.
What did you say in elite gathering?
Very good. What did you do yesterday? Give me sentences with what did you? What did we? Yes.
What,
What
did you
did I
say
do
to
wrong
that
to you?
girl about me?
Yes.
What did
What?
you plan for her birthday party?
Very good.
What did you tell about me to my father?
Good.
What did you do to yourself that you are so creepy?
Very good.
What did you do to tackle your obstacles?
Very good. Tackle your obstacles. Good.
What
Yeah.
did
What
you
did you do to came over failure?
Come over failure.
What did you do to become a scientist in future?
Very good. What did you do to become a scientist in future? Next.
What did I say wrong to you?
What did I say wrong to you?
What did I do? What did I do with you that you shout at me?
What
That you
did I
shouted
just
at me.
What did I just do? I just mentioned your name.
Very good. Sahil.
What did I do with your materials?
Good.
What did you
What
face
did
in
I
your past and how you come out from challenges?
Very good.
what did I do to make you annoy?
Very good. What did I do to make you annoy you? Yes. Yes.
What did we do to you so that you are not talking with us?
Very good. Next.
What did you do for buying a pet?
Very good.
What did he did so that he is banned from the meeting?
Good.
What did you tell to that person? That person shout at me.
What
Shouted
did
at
he
me.
do that she is not in the webinar?
Very good. Where are the others? Where are the others? Zainab, Safia,
What
Sahil.
special did you do to top in exam?
Very good.
What did you cheat in exam?
Not exactly, my dear.
What did you laugh at? What did you do acting of you get under the cloud?
Not exactly. Yes.
What
What?
did you do in your leisure time?
Very good. What did you do in your leisure time?
What did you do in your daily routine?
Very good.
What did you like to have in your dinner?
Very good.
What did you do in your weekends?
Very good. Nirvan, Safia.
What did you tell to my mother? My mother laughed at me.
Very good.
What did other people's do that really not matter?
Very good. Yes.
What did you eat at night?
What did you eat at night? Good. Zainab, Nirvan. Yes.
What did you exactly ask her?
Good.
What did you sing?
Very good.
What did you have? What did you have lunch?
Very good.
What
Next.
did you have? What did you go for your webinar?
Very good.
What do you eat in restaurant?
Very good. What did you eat in the restaurant? What do you eat in the restaurants?
What did you do?
What did you do?
What did people do to complete task in limited time?
Very good.
What did you see in the sea animals?
Very good. Yes.
What did you find the diamonds in the water?
No, my dear. What did you find in the water? Okay.
What did you eat food at night with me?
Good. Good. Good.
What did you experience when you travel abroad?
What did you experience when you travel abroad? Very good.
What should I do to become like Ansar sir?
Good. Yes.
What should I wake up at?
इधर दे भी दिया उसको दिया मैंने उसको कल रात sorry continue please.
What did you do in your webinar?
Very good. Okay, are you seeing their conversation? See, where's the airport? It's north of it in the city. It's in the north of the city. Okay, it should be there. It's in the north of the city. The नहीं लिखा है उसने वहाँ पर. Sorry. So where's the airport? It's in the north of the city. What's the best way to get there? Take highway 15 to the north. Take highway 15 to the north. See, they have given here the, but not above. They should be the before this north. Okay, where's the airport? It's in the north of the city. What's the best way to get there? What is the best way to Get there. What do you mean by this one?
अच्छा रास्ता क्या है वहां जाने का?
Correct. वहां जाने का सबसे अच्छा रास्ता कौन सा है? So what's the best way? What's the best way? Can you please give me some sentences like this? What's best way to?
What's the best way to go out of failure?
Very good.
Depression, sorry.
What's the best way to tackle the situation? Can you please give me some sentences with what's the best way to?
What's the best way to impress her?
Ah ha ha ha.
What's
Wow.
the best way to speak English?
Good. What's the best way to speak English?
The best way to defend the lost case.
Very good.
What's the
What's
best
the best way to
protect
dance?
Good.
him?
Yes, sir. Repeat once again. What's the best way?
What's the best way to protect him?
Good. Next.
What's the best way to travel to?
What's the best way to tell her no?
Tell her.
What's
No.
No. Oh my God.
the best way to handle the pressure?
What's the best way to understanding them?
Understand them.
What's the best way to go in mosque?
What's the best way to go in the mosque? Okay.
Your voice is very low.
Really? Hello.
What's the best way to counter their strikes?
What's the best way to counter the strikes? Yes.
Sir,
What's
can
the
you
best way to defend ourselves?
Very good.
Less army.
Nice.
What's the best ways to crack any interviews?
Very good. What's the best way to crack any interviews?
What's 10 best ways to repair our mobile?
Very good.
What's the best way to crack the exam?
Very good.
What's the best way to take a picture?
Very good.
What's the best way to sit during driving a car?
Good.
What's the best way to
to eat the rotten apple?
Repeat once again.
What's the better way than this?
What's the better way than this?
Hello.
What's the best way to learning English?
Very good. What's the best way to learn English?
What's the best way to prepare for exam in just 2 days?
Very good.
What's the best way to cook food?
Very good.
What's the best way? Please don't tell me another ways.
What's the best way? Please don't tell me the other ways. Yes. Some people are not making sentences. Very quiet. Zainab, Safia, make sentences, please.
What's the best way
Goss.
to kick that person?
What's the best way to kick that person?
Sir, Mufis is telling to tell motivation story.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Shall I tell you a story?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me tell you a story on seriousness. Because I could see there some of the students are really not serious. Would like to know a story on seriousness?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen to me carefully now. I'm going to write here and I'll be telling you the story. Please, all of you, mute yourself so I could tell you the story completely. And just don't poke your dirty nose in between. I hope all of you are listening me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm telling you the story on seriousness today. As I could see here, many of the students are there and they are not serious. They are not serious. Point number 1. The story is about Mughal-e-Azam movie. Mughal-e-Azam was the movie in history of Bollywood. The movie took 16 years to make. The movie took 16 years to shot. 16 साल लगे वो मूवी को शॉट करने के लिए. Can a person wait for this one? Not at all. कोई रुक सकता है इतने साल? नहीं. 16 साल. Seriousness. See, this is called seriousness. Point number 1. What is seriousness? Today I'm going to show you on every point of this movie. This is a motivational story. It is not a story, it is the incident, the reality, the real fact of this story, of this movie. Mughal e Azam movie the movie started in 1944 and it completed in 1960s, and it took total 16 years to make the movie. Who could wait for this one? There is a director called K. Asif, and this director has been considered as the craziest director in the world of history. The craziest director of the world history. Do you know why? Do you know why? Because the director has been known for his perfectionism, for his perfect acts. See the seriousness. The seriousness was there. He started shooting the movie in 1944 and he finished the movie in 1960s. He waited for 16 long years. Point number one. Number two, if you see the seriousness of that person, you'll come to know how serious he was, that he called the people he called from whole India. He gathered the people from whole India. The movie is being shot in Mumbai. Movie कहाँ पे shoot हो रही थी? मुंबई में, मुगले आजम. In 1944, the shooting started. 1940s में shooting start हुआ, and the movie was getting shot in Mumbai, and he gathered the people from whole India, that he got the people from Kolhapur for just to make the crown of Akbar, the King Akbar. उस मूवी के अंदर मुगले आजम के अंदर किंग अकबर का स्टोरी बताया है, उसके बेटे का, जिसका नाम क्या था? कौन था वो अनारकली का हस्बैंड?
शाहजहां.
नो, अकबर का बेटा कौन था?
राज कपूर का बाप.
नो, क्या नाम था उसका? अकबर का बेटा कौन था ओरिजिनल में? सलीम. सलीम, correct. He called the people from Kolhapur just to make the crown and the jewelries. उसने jewelries and crown के लिए क्या बुलाया? People from Kolhapur. He got the people from Rajasthan for making the weapons. Weapons बनाने के लिए जो weapons उसके अंदर use किए गए ना मूवी के अंदर, he called the people from Rajasthan. He called the people from Hyderabad for what? For, I think, costumes. He got the people from Hyderabad for the costumes. See, Mumbai में movie बना रहा है and he's gathering whole India over there. पूरे इंडिया को बुला रहा है, अलग अलग जगह से लोगों को. Even there was some people from Gujarat. There were some people from Gujarat. I think they were the people who got clothes, I think. Maybe. Not exactly. But they got clothes from Gujarat. Point number 5. See, seriousness. क्यों बुला रहा है लोगों को? ये पागल है क्या वो? Because he is calling the people just to make the poster and the movie perfect. Why? Why perfect? Because he doesn't want any sort of comparison in anything. No compromise. किसी के साथ में कंपेयर करेगा ही नहीं, क्वालिटी के साथ में कंपैरिजन ही नहीं करना चाहता था. He made the castle, the glass castle was there, and he made the glass castle. The glass was there, which brought from Germany and Belgium. The glass brought from Germany and Belgium of millions of rupees at that time in 1940s. जो glass का महल बनाया था उसने, वो कहां से मंगाया था? He got it from Germany and Belgium. अपने यहाँ पे आज पंजाब जाने के लिए पैसा नहीं है. He got from Germany and Belgium. Why? Just to make it feel much more better. Just to feel the real. See the seriousness. How serious are you for your English? See that man. K. Asif has been considered as the craziest director in Bollywood. Why? Because he was really crazy to make that movie, just to make it perfect. He waited for 16 long years K. Asif was the person who put his all the efforts, all the resources, all money, all the each and everything, all in sundry he put into the movie just to make the movie amazing, to create history. K. Asif was the person who wasn't having the money just to have pan and to smoke a cigarette. He was on expenditures. खर्चे पर था, किसी और के उधार के ऊपर था. He was borrower. Debtors बन गए थे भाई उधर. खर्चा. How serious he was. How are you serious with your English? Tell me. How serious are you with your English? Apart from this one, there is a song in this movie, and the song is what? प्यार किया तो डरना क्या.
Yes.
The
But I was
movie, the
thinking that
song,
only.
nice. The song was written more than 101 times. The song was written more than 101 times, and at that time the composer was there, Mr. Naushad. Naushad was the composer.
Yeah, he used to smoke, na? That cigar.
That Naushad was the composer at that time of the movie, and the person has written 101 times the song and he refused it. Who? Naushad. वो writer लेकर आता था. Naushad used to see and he used to reject it. Naushad used to see and he used to reject it. वो writer भी थक गया था. बोले बाप रे मेरे बाप तेरे को क्या चाहिए? He said, I want the best song in the world that the people should remember for the whole life. And see, today we are talking about the movie. Why? Because the movie has created the history. It is the same, the 102nd time the man got the song, and it was what? प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, and he sanctioned and he confirmed it. Yes, now अभी ये song उस level का लग रहा है कि इस movie के अंदर इसको डाल सकते हैं, इस movie के अंदर इसको गा सकते हैं. और आजकल के song रैपिंग बिपिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी डाल रहे हैं, हिंदी उर्दू में कुछ भी मिक्स करके कुछ भी फेंक दे रहे हैं, लोगों को मिलियंस के लाइक्स मिल रहे हैं. Why? Nothing is there. किसी को समझ ही नहीं रहा है कौन सा लैंग्वेज कहाँ पे क्या घुसाड़ रहा है. He made the song after 102nd attempt. Confirmed. Seriousness. He said that जब के आसिफ जैसा आदमी उसको lightly नहीं ले रहा है, जब उसको इतना seriously ले रहा है, तो मैं उसको lightly कैसे ले सकता हूं? How are you serious with your English? Tell me. Apart from this one, there is a song, Mohabbat Zindabad. Another song is there. In that movie, another song is there, Mohabbat Zindabad. That song contains echo sound. Echo sound. And now at that time, there were no echoing machines. There were no echoing softwares. अब वो 1940s के अंदर जब अपने अब्बा भी पैदा नहीं हो गए थे, at that time, they did not have echo sound system. So that K. Asif made 1,000 mics with 1,000 singers. 1,000 singers have sung the song. 1,000 लोगों को 1,000 माइक लगा के उसने बैठ के गाना गाने के लिए बोला था, and that was what? Just to create the echo. See how serious he was, that he wasn't comparing, he wasn't comprising the quality, the reality, the seriousness. How are you serious with your English? Tell me. 1,000 सिंगल लोगों से उसने इको क्रिएट करने के लिए सॉन्ग को गाने के लिए लगाया, and he was the perfect. Apart from this one, song के बारे में बात चल रही है, तो there was a song. I don't remember the name of the song, but the song was sung in the tone of Tansen. Tansen के उसमें गाया गया song है वो, and it was the song sung by a very popular singer at that time. That was what? Ghulam Ali Khan. K. Asif was there, and he asked Mr. Naushad, who was the composer at that time. नौशाद को पूछा के आसिफ ने, आज के जमाने में 1940s, तानसेन पुराने जमाने में सबसे बड़ा सिंगर होता था. पुराने जमाने के अंदर गाना कंपोज करना कैसे, वो उसका फादर था. लाइक द फादर ऑफ नेशन इज व्हाट? गांधी जी. देन हु इज द फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश? विलियम शेक्सपियर. एंड ही वाज द फादर ऑफ सिंगिंग एंड द सुर एंड ऑल, द वेव्स ऑफ सिंगिंग, हाई पेज, लो पेज. ही आस्क्ड मिस्टर Naushad that आज के जमाने में तानसेन कैसे गाना कौन गाता है? He said there is only one man in India who can sing like Tansen, in the tone of Tansen. He asked him, who is that? He said, Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan. K. Asif said, where is he? He said, he's in Lucknow. K. Asif said, take me to Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan. मुझे लेकर चलो. So Mr. Naushad said, but he doesn't sing for movies. वो गाना गाता है बट वो मूवीज के लिए गाना नहीं गाता वो. He said then वो खाली खुद के खुशी के लिए गाना गाता है महफिलों के अंदर. In the syndicates he sings but he doesn't sing for movies. He said no problem at all, you can take me please. Take me to Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan to Lucknow. He went to Lucknow from Mumbai. He went and he said that, do you sing songs? And you are going to sing for my movie. Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan said, he refused him. He said, no, I don't sing for movies. He said, no, you're going to sing for me. He said, are you mad? I do not sing for movies. I said, I repeat, I do not sing for movies. He said, no, you are going to sing the song for me. He said, is he crazy? He asked Naushad, is he crazy? He said, no, so now you can talk to him. I told him that you are not going to sing for the movies, but he was not getting it. And he was quite stubborn. And he said that you are going to sing a song for our movie. So Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan said, okay, मैं इसका पागलपन दूर करता हूँ. Let me take him into the room. Mr. K. Asif, please come into the room. उसने उसको रूम में लेकर गया. रूम में लेके जाने के बाद में उसको बोला, do you want me to sing a song? क्या आप मेरे से गाना गवाना चाहते हैं? He said yes. You are going to sing the song. आप गाना गाएंगे मेरे लिए for our movie. He said, okay, if you want me to sing the song, I will take 50,000 rupees to sing a song. How much? 50,000. Oh my God. In 1940s, when people did not have even 5 rupees, 5 rupees per month salary भी नहीं था लोगों का. In 2 rupees, they used to fill the ration for whole month. Mr. Ghulam Ali Khan said to K. Asif that I'll be taking 50,000 rupees just to sing one song. And did you know, अगर अपन होते तो क्या बोलते थे? ओ माँ, 50,000 छोड़ना, मैं मेरे खुद से हाथ से गाऊंगा मैं. I will sing the song by my own self, or I will take any other one, but I'm not going to make you to sing the song for me. Did you know what Mr. K. Asif did there? आर्टिकल में मैंने पढ़ा है, मैंने वीडियोस में भी देखा है, और मुझे सर ने भी बताया था. He used to smoke a cigar. प्रशांत सर ने मुझे उस दिन जब स्टोरी सुना रहे थे, मैंने वहां से सुना ये स्टोरी. उसके बाद में मैंने इसके बारे में आर्टिकल पढ़ा था. उसके अंदर भी कुछ बिल्कुल ऐसी था. That he used to smoke a cigar. Who? K. Asif. And जैसे उन्होंने बोला कि मुझे 50,000 रुपए चाहिए गाना गाने के लिए और मैं तुम्हारे लिए गाना गाऊंगा, he used to wear a lines. कुर्ता पहनता था वो. K. Asif. He removed 10,000 rupees and put down on the table. उसने टेबल पर रख दिया 10,000 रुपए. And he said, गाना तो आप ही गाएंगे. You are going to sing for me. You are going to sing for me. और गाना तो आप ही गाएंगे. See how serious he was that he did not compromise with the singer. He did not compromise with the song. He did not compromise with the quality of the song, reality of the song. Why? For the sake of making history and just to do something really crazier. How serious are you with your English? Tell me. He was so serious. Very serious. Another fact of the movie. The chains are there. Iron chains are there. Iron chains. Which were tied up to Madhubala. मधुबाला वहां की हीरोइन थी उसकी. मधुबाला हीरोइन थी उस मूवी की. लोखंड की चेन बनाया था ओरिजिनल के आसिफ ने. Why? लोखंड की चेन पहनाया था उसको. They tied up Madhubala with original iron chains. Why? आज के जमाने में कोई हीरोइन पहनी है क्या लोखंड के चेन? हो हर मैं नहीं करी तुम्हारे साथ में काम, मैं तो जा रही मेरे घर पे. कुछ भी कच्ची कली हूं मैं. She were iron chains, original iron chains. के आसिफ ने उसको ओरिजिनल आयरन चेन्स पहनाया. Why? Just to make the real feel, the reality. जब वो ओरिजिनल चेन पहनेगी उतना दर्द होगा उसको, and she will feel the pain, the original pain. वो रियली उसका पेन, उसके पूरा पेन जो उसके मुंह पे उतर कर आएगा, उसको वो शूट करना था. The real pain, the reality, the real feel, the real pain of the feel. वो फील का पूरा रियल पेन निकालना था उसको, एंड ही वांटेड टू शॉट दैट। उसके लिए उसने इतनी प्यारी हीरोइन को, बेचारी को आयरन के चेन्स पहनाया उसने। ओ माय गॉड, वो हीरोइन को हालत क्या हो गई रहेगी चेन पहनने के बाद में, जंजीरें पहनने के बाद में। चेन बोले तो सोने की पतली चेन नहीं थी, वो जंजीरें। आप मूवी के अंदर देखो, यूट्यूब पर देखना उसको, विल कम टू नो। सीरियसनेस, हाउ सीरियस आर यू विथ योर इंग्लिश, टेल मी, हाउ सीरियस आर यू विथ योर इंग्लिश? सीरियसनेस के लिए उसने क्या किया, लोखंड के चेन पहनाया उसने उस हीरोइन को। सीरियसनेस, ही इज गैदरिंग द होल इंडिया, व्हाई? सीरियसनेस। हाउ सीरियस आर यू विथ योर इंग्लिश, टेल मी। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस वन, इसके अलावा और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। देयर वाज अ सॉन्ग, प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, ही शॉट दैट सॉन्ग इन कलर। उसने उस सॉन्ग को कलर में शूट किया। ही वांटेड टू मेक द होल मूवी इन कलर, कलरफुल मूवी बनाना चाहता था इन 1940s, जब कलर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में आती थी मूवीज। बट द प्रोड्यूसर सेड, I could not afford it, I'm not going to give you any money over there. So he shot only one song. पूरे सॉन्ग का इतना पैसा लगा जितनी ये पूरी मूवी बनी थी। Why? Seriousness. How serious are you with your English? Tell me. Next one. Point number 11. There is a scene in the movie when Jodhabai is there and she is swinging Krishna Lord, Nauzubillah. And that Krishna idol is there, which is made by pure gold. Pure gold से बना हुआ था वो. It was made by pure gold. उस जमाने के अंदर, उस जमाने में कृष्णा की जो मूर्ति बनी थी वो प्योर गोल्ड से बनाई गई थी, जिसको जोधाबाई झूला देती थी। के आसिफ सेड, जब उस जमाने में प्योर गोल्ड की थी तो अभी भी प्योर गोल्ड की रहेगी। Why? Just to make the original and real feel. अगर वो पीतल की अगर मूर्ति बनाकर अगर डालेंगे झूले के अंदर, तो जोधाबाई जो उसको धक्का दे रही है, उसको झूला दे रही है, उसके अंदर वो फील नहीं आएगा, उसके अंदर वो एक्टिंग नहीं आएगी कि भाई प्योर गोल्ड का नहीं है, ये पीतल का है ये। He made the ideal with pure gold. Why? Just to feel the reality and just to make seriousness. How serious are you with your English? Tell me. He was so serious that he made that Krishna's idol with pure gold. How serious are you with your English? He made that Krishna's idol with pure gold. क्योंकि जब जोधाबाई उसको धक्का देगी, जब उसको पुश करेगी क्रेडल को, so she should feel the real gold is there in the idol of Krishna. How serious are you with your English? Tell me. Point number 12. Point number 12. ऐसी एक नहीं बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। After finishing the story, after finishing the movie, after finishing the shooting, कृष्णा का जो मूर्ति था, कृष्णा का जो आइडल था, कृष्णा आइडल्स वर देयर। वो टाइम पे हिंदू मुस्लिम नहीं चलता था। आज के लोगों ने दिमाग में गंदगी भर के रखा है पूरा, तू हिंदू, तू मुस्लिम, तू क्रिश्चियन, तू सिख, ये वो अमका डमका। आज के लोगों ने दिमाग में कितना कचरा भर के रखा है, वो टाइम पे नहीं था। के आसिफ सेड एट द एंड ऑफ द शूटिंग, के आसिफ ने बोला क्या, कि आसिफ ने क्या बोला कि ये जो मूर्ति है कृष्णा की, पूरा शूटिंग हो गया है, पिक्चर खत्म हो गई है, इसको पिघला के हम लोग अपना अपना पैसा बना लेते। सो मिस्टर नौशाद वाज देयर, हु वाज मुस्लिम कंपोजर। नौशाद साहब जो थे वो आए, वो बोले मत पिघलाओ इसको, कृष्णा की मूर्ति को मत पिघलाओ, मैं मेरे घर लेकर जाता हूं। एंड मिस्टर नौशाद टुक हिज होम द आइडल ऑफ कृष्णा एंड ही swung the Krishna's idol for his entire life until his last breath. उन्होंने उसको झूला दिया। See how people are serious about it, about emotions, about emotions. This is called seriousness. How serious are you about your English? Tell me. लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं बोलने के लिए, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं बोलने के लिए, पर मैं सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूं हाउ सीरियस ही वाज एंड हाउ सीरियस आर यू विथ योर इंग्लिश. यू आर नॉट मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस इन द क्लास, you are being absent, you are coming late. Last but not least, the movie released in 1960s in Maratha Mandir, Mumbai. Theater tha. Maratha Mandir, Mumbai. Theater was there. The capacity of the audience were 1100 only. 1100 उसका capacity था. सिर्फ 1100 capacity था. And that day, on the day of release, there were 1 lakh people standing out of the theater. 1 लाख लोग खड़े थे थिएटर के बाहर. पता है क्यों? Do you know why? Because he made the people to feel the reality that he got 4 elephants to carry the print of the movie. मूवी का प्रिंट जो है 4 एलिफेंट्स के ऊपर रखकर लाया गया था. मूवी का प्रिंट जो था, प्रिंट वो 4 एलिफेंट्स के ऊपर रखकर लाया गया. क्यों? जस्ट टू क्रिएट द रियल फील. जस्ट टू क्रिएट द रियल फील. So he was so serious. How serious are you about your English? Tell me. वो सीरियसनेस था उसके अंदर, उसने वो सीरियसनेस के लिए उसको लेकर आया. So like this, he had many other things. बहुत सारी चीज थे. इस मूवी का एक खास बात थी that he was very serious, and due to his seriousness, he did a great job over there, and he created the history. Getting it? How serious are you with your English? Tell me. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Getting it? So this is what
Yes.
exactly the story of
Yes, sir.
Mughal Azam. And
Mughal-
the whole story is telling us that seriousness. How serious are you? Tell me. Simple सा question है मेरा आप लोगों से. How serious are you with your English?
Very much.
Getting it? और आपको पता है सबसे मेन बात, उसका last but not least, the people who invested money in that movie, they took the poison. They took the poison. उन्होंने poison लेकर बैठे थे वो लोग. Why? अगर मूवी रिलीज नहीं हुआ तो हम लोग खत्म हो जाएंगे, जिंदगी खत्म हो जाएगी हमारी, मर जाएंगे हम लोग. मगर मूवी हिट नहीं हुआ तो. एंड के आसिफ ने हम लोग को इतना चैलेंज दिया था, इतना करेज दिया था, इतना मोटिवेट किया था that you are going to boom up, and today is what he has been considered as the best director in Bollywood history. Why? Because of his seriousness. How serious are you? आप कितने
Sir,
सीरियस
now
हैं?
it is there, Asif.
He passed away, my dear. Passed away. So this is what exactly I want to tell you.
Nashik.
Yeah. And that movie created the history. So this is what exactly I want to tell you, my dear friends, that seriousness. How serious are you with your English? Tell me. आप कितना serious है?
Is not there.
None is there. Only that hero is there,
Very-
Mr. Dilip Kumar. Getting it? So एक चीज को उसने कितना सीरियसली लिया था और आप लोग कितना सीरियसली ले रहे हैं. By the way, let's continue with this. So मैं आपको वही बोल रहा हूँ, कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं सेंटेंस बना ही नहीं रहे. कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं सेंटेंस ही नहीं बना रहे वो लोग. Why? Because they are not serious. Because they are not serious.
Yes.
So how serious are you about your English? Tell me. Literally. Let's go for next one. Conversation G. Remember, अगर आप लोग आपकी लाइफ में सीरियस नहीं है, मैंने ही बहुत सारी गलती किया हूँ और मैं भी करता भी हूँ, but I'm just trying to make myself much more better. So nobody is perfect in the whole world. Keep on making yourself. Remember this. Until and unless you try, you won't be the best. Remember this. Until and unless you try, you won't be the best. And keep on trying, keep on learning, keep on trying, keep on improving, keep on trying, keep on improving, keep on trying, keep on developing. and one day you'll become the best. Remember this. And always try to have the company, the people who are teaching you, and always have the courage in yourself to learn. जिस दिन आपने सोचा मेरे एक आइडियल टीचर है, उन्होंने
what
हमेशा एक
was
बात
that
बोली
idea?
है, उन्होंने एक बात हमेशा बोली थी कि we are the student from the cradle to the grave. और जिस दिन जिस इंसान ने सोचा कि मैं टीचर बन गया हूं, समझो खत्म हो गया वो खत्म हो गया. He's finished. The destruction will start from that day only. उसका डिस्ट्रक्शन उसी दिन से स्टार्ट होगा, because he will stop learning. वो लर्निंग बंद कर देगा और वो खाली लोगों को खाली क्या करेगा, बोलेगा मुझे तो सब आता है, मुझे तो सब आता है. और जिस दिन उसने सोचा, he is gone. He is gone. Completely gone. Did you see HP printer? HP कंपनी कहाँ का है? Who can tell me? निर्वाण? HP कहाँ का कंपनी है?
Japan.
Correct. It is from Japan. He's right. HP कंपनी जापान का है. आपको पता है HP प्रिंटर? मैं प्रिंटर की बात कर रहा हूँ. HP Japanese printer is there. HP कंपनी जापान का है, and the printer is from Japan only. HP. HP प्रिंटर का कुछ साल पहले, अभी से 8-10 साल पुरानी बात बता रहा हूँ मैं आपको. HP प्रिंटर ने चैलेंज किया था with the belt of ink. उसके अंदर जो पट्टा है ना, जो प्रिंट मारता है, जो इंक छोड़ता है, इंक फेंकता है, उसके बारे में उसने चैलेंज किया था. एंड ही चैलेंज दैट नथिंग इज बेटर देन HP प्रिंटर. हाउ? और भी बहुत सारे होंगे, बट उसने चैलेंज किया था. ही सेड दैट आवर इंक फ्लोर is so thinner, is so thinner, 10 times thinner than your hair. आपके हेयर से भी 10 times thinner मेरा बेल्ट का स्ट्रिप है. उसके अंदर जो वायर थी ना बेल्ट के अंदर, जो इंक को छोड़ती है, उसने बोला इट इज 10 times thinner than your hair. आपके हेयर से भी 10 times thinner है. सोचो कि कैसा रहेगा, कितना जबरदस्त रहेगा उसका टेक्नोलॉजी. अपना हेयर कितना बड़ा है, कितना मोटा है हमारा हेयर, कभी कभी तो दिखता भी नहीं है. उससे 10 टाइम्स छोटा था, उससे 10 टाइम्स पतला था उसका बेल्ट का तार. जस्ट इमेजिन उसका टेक्नोलॉजी क्या रहेगा. व्हाई? टेक्नोलॉजी, नो कंपैरिजन. सीरियसनेस, हाउ सीरियस आर यू विथ योर इंग्लिश? So my dear friends, take seriously if you want to grow up, and if you don't want to grow up, then may God help you. Someone else will take the step ahead. So this is the story, and I hope this story might be motivating you. Okay, and the credit goes to my teachers, Mr. Prashant sir and Mr. Azim sir. Both are my ideal teachers, and they have taught me these things that I'm delivering in front of you. I'm just narrating those stories, listening from them and telling you. Why? The credit goes to them. अगर उन्होंने मुझे नहीं बताया होता, क्या मैं आपको बता पाता?
No, sir.
So literally it is what my ideal teachers are there. This is what I told you over here. So teachers are really very important. Why? Because they are teaching us. Let me tell you one more thing. President आज president है किसकी वजह से? Because of the teacher. The teacher taught him as he became the president. Scientist is a scientist. Why? Because the teacher taught him and he became the scientist. Prime minister is the prime minister because the teacher taught him and he became the prime minister. And every great profession in the world, doctor is doctor because of his teacher. Engineer is an engineer because of his teacher. Astronaut is astronaut because of his teacher. So teachers are the great idols and the
Sir, who
ideals.
teach to teacher?
Pardon?
Who teach to teacher?
And who teaches the teacher? That is the grand teacher. So
Who
my
is the
teachers
grand teacher?
and my grand teachers are what? Mr. Prashant, who taught me life, and my another grand teacher is what? Mr. Azim, who taught me English. So this is what exactly I could tell, that these are the two teachers for me. There are many other teachers I had in my life, but the teachers who are making your career and the teachers who are making your life, they are the real idealistic teacher. Why? Why? I'll tell you, my dear friends. See, just feel my फील माई इनर फीलिंग्स, उसको महसूस करने की कोशिश कीजिए प्लीज। मैंने कहीं पर देखा था, मेरे अब्बू ने एक बात बोला था मुझे। माई फादर सेड वंस, यू कैन लर्न मेनी चैप्टर्स, you can learn many lessons, you can do multiple practicals in your school, in your college. हमने बहुत सारे चैप्टर्स पढ़े, हमने बहुत सारे होमवर्क किए, हमने बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए, हमने बहुत सारे असाइनमेंट्स किए, हमने बहुत सारे प्रैक्टिकल्स किए, हमने बहुत सारे बुक्स में भर भर के लिखा है। बट ये एक अलग चीज है, ये आपको सिर्फ डिग्री देगी। बट द टीचर हु इज टीचिंग यू लाइफ, द टीचर हु इज टीचिंग यू लाइफ, एक तो होता है रियल लाइफ, एक होता है रियल लाइफ। दो चीजों को ध्यान में रखना है। रियल मीन्स व्हाट? मूवी वाला। तो मूवी में क्या दिखा रहे हैं कि हीरो आ रहा है, उसको हीरोइन मिल रही है, भाग रहा है, वाओ एंजॉय, एंजॉयिंग देयर, राइट? वो रियल लाइफ नहीं है, रियल लाइफ है। एंड रियल लाइफ जो अपने बीच में होता है। सेम केस एक तो होता है कॉलेज का, स्कूल का। द टीचर हु इज टीचिंग यू जस्ट नॉलेज, just giving you education, your practicals, your assignments, your books, your projects, your lectures, your homework, your chapters, your lessons, yes or no, your exercises, that is one teacher. But उससे बड़ा टीचर वो होता है, my father said, उससे बड़ा टीचर वो होता है, the teacher who taught you life. Life का मतलब क्या है मेरा? मतलब क्या है मेरे बोलने का life का? The person who taught you how to live life. The person who taught you how to behave, how to act. The person who taught you how to live a perfect life. That's the real teacher. क्योंकि आपको देखो, चैप्टर्स आप इंटरनेट से पढ़ सकते हैं, यूडेमी, बिडेमी, कितने सारे वेबसाइट्स हैं, आपको कोई भी पढ़ाएगा। यू आर रीडिंग अ बुक, यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग फ्रॉम देयर। बट हर एक चीज बुक्स के अंदर नहीं मिलेगी आपको, हर एक चीज आपको कॉलेज के अंदर नहीं मिलेगी, हर एक चीज आपको स्कूल के अंदर, बुक्स के अंदर, प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर, प्रैक्टिकल के अंदर, असाइनमेंट के अंदर नहीं मिलेगी। देयर आर सम टीचर्स हु आर टीचिंग लाइफ। सो टीचिंग लाइफ एंड टीचिंग ओनली स्कूल, बोथ आर वेरी डिफरेंट। स्कूल के अंदर आप लोग पास तो हो जाएंगे, और बाहर चल के जब आप जिंदगी में आएंगे अपनी, मेन असल दुनिया में आएंगे अपनी, वहां पे आपको कौन पढ़ाएगा? उसको कौन जीना सिखाएगा? अरे जब आप लोग डिग्री वगैरह पास करते हैं, कंपनी में जाने के बाद में आप लोग का हाल क्या होता है? यू क्राई बिकॉज यू डोंट नो टेबल मैनर्स, यू डोंट नो कंपनी मैनर्स, यू डोंट नो ईटिंग मैनर्स, यू डोंट नो एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एटिकेट्स। आपके पास में एटिकेट्स नहीं है उसके, एंड यू आर फेलिंग देयर। तो जिसने आपको ये सिखाया वो आपका बड़ा आइडियल टीचर है। ये भी आपके टीचर हैं जिन्होंने आपको एजुकेशन सिखाया। अगर वो नहीं सिखाते तो आप लोग आगे कैसे जाते थे? बट द पर्सन हु इज टीचिंग यू लाइफ इज द रियल टीचर। क्योंकि हर एक टीचर आपको ऐसा मिलेगा नहीं। सो दिस इज व्हाट डू आई फील। इंग्लिश तो मैं आपको पढ़ा ही रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश तो आज मैं पढ़ा ही रहा हूँ, पर मुझे जो लोगों ने हेल्प किया है, दे हेल्प्ड मी। व्हाई? बिकॉज दे लव्ड मी, दे ट्रीटेड मी एज अ सन। एक बेटे की तरह मुझे माना है, उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया है। इट इज माई ड्यूटी दैट आई एम टीचिंग यू ऑल दिस थिंग्स। यहाँ पे कुछ लोगों को ऐसे लग रहा होगा क्या बोर कर रहा है यार, ये क्या जबरदस्ती में स्टोरी बताते बैठा है यार, ये काय को तो भी बता रहा है यार, मेरे को नहीं जरूरत है पढ़े। बट प्लीज माई डियर, लिसन टू मी केयरफुली। इफ यू आर लर्निंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स ओवर हियर, someday it will help you somewhere. मैं क्यों बताता हूँ ये सब? Because it will help you a lot someday, and you're going to miss me. And see, pray for me and pray for my ideal teachers as well. Because अगर मुझे नहीं बताते थे, मैं आप लोग को बताता था क्या?
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
See, मैंने बहुत, मुझे देखो, मैं बहुत एवरेज स्टूडेंट रहा हूँ मेरे लाइफ के अंदर। मुझे चीजें सिखाने के बाद में पता चलती थी, और मुझे लाइफ में कभी किसी ने इतना नहीं सिखाया था जितना मुझे प्रशांत सर ने सिखाया। मैं आज आप लोगों के सबके सामने बोल रहा हूँ। मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि निर्वाणी यहाँ पर है, मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप लोग यहाँ पर हैं, मैं सीरियसली बोल रहा हूँ। मेरे हर स्पीच के अंदर बोलूंगा मैं ये, भले से निर्वाण वहाँ रहे ना रहे, कोई वहाँ पर सुने ना सुने, मैं बोलूंगा। वाई? बिकॉज मुझे जो चीज वहां से सीखने के लिए मिली है, मुझे आज तक किसी ने नहीं सिखाया था। एंड आई एम फीलिंग प्राउड दैट आई एम लर्निंग फ्रॉम हिम। मुझे कोई नहीं बताता। सी, आजकल के जमाने में मैं आपको एक चीज सुनाता हूँ। लेट मी टेल यू वन मोर थिंग। रिसेंटली मेरे साथ में हुआ है ऑन लिंक्डइन। लिंक्डइन पर मैंने पोस्ट किया था, उसके अंदर हैशटैग्स होते हैं, हैशटैग्स। सर ने मुझे बताया था, वो हैशटैग्स के अंदर मैंने एक गलती किया था, जब मुझे हैशटैग तो पता भी नहीं था क्या होता है, कैसा होता है, काम कैसे करता है हैशटैग। एंड आई पोस्टेड वन आर्टिकल विथ नेगेटिव हैशटैग्स। उसके अंदर जो नेगेटिव वर्ड्स थे मैंने सबको हैशटैग लगा दिया उसके अंदर। व्हाई? जस्ट टू मेक द article, just to make the post visible to everyone. But do you know what happened? There was a man who was observing me since long time. उसने इतने दिन से मुझे ऑब्जर्व किया, मेरे हर पॉजिटिव आर्टिकल को, हर एक आर्टिकल को उसने बहुत पॉजिटिव लिया, बट दैट डे ही कमेंटेड ऑन माय दैट आर्टिकल दैट इट इज लुकिंग वेरी नेगेटिव आर्टिकल। मुझे उस दिन समझ में आया, ओ माय गॉड, पीपल आर ऑब्जर्विंग बट नॉट टीचिंग। क्योंकि लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है। क्यों बताएंगे? पागल हैं क्या वो लोग आपको पढ़ाने के लिए? सी वैल्यू इट। आप शायद इस बात को समझ सकते हैं मेरी, कि लोग बताते नहीं है, कोई सिखाता नहीं है। अरे क्यों सिखाएगा? क्यों सिखाएगा कोई? सेम केस, इफ दे आर टीचिंग यू, you should thankful of them. If they are guiding you, you should be thankful of them. If they are leading you, you should adore them. Adore them. This is what I would like to thank Mr. Prashant, Professor Prashant Chavan. I would like to thank Mr. Azim Aga. But especially thanks to Mr. Prashant because he taught me life. उन्होंने मुझे लाइफ बनाया, मुझे लाइफ सिखाया। मेरे पास नॉलेज भले से कितना भी हो, मेरे पास इंग्लिश कितनी भी अच्छी हो, बट उसको डिलीवर करने का जो तरीका है मुझे किसी ने नहीं सिखाया था। अरे मैं एक बात आपको सिंपल सी बोलता हूँ, एज आई एम टेलिंग यू नाउ, आपके पास में डिग्री है, इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए आपको हमारा जरूरत पड़ेगा उधर, राइट? सेम केस, मेरे पास इंग्लिश था और उसको डिलीवर करने के लिए मुझे सर का जरूरत पड़ा था उधर। पढ़ता रहेगा क्योंकि मेरी आज एज क्या है? आई एम जस्ट 25 and his age is there around 40 something. That's what unka experience is just guiding me, is just leading me. So this is what the story of today, and I hope you have learned something greater from here and you're going to implement all these things tomorrow in your life. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, remember this my words my dear, that life सिखाने वाले बहुत कम लोग मिलेंगे आपको जिंदगी में।
Yes, sir.
एजुकेशन तो कोई भी सिखा देता है। Getting it? That's really good. Okay, Mr. Sahil, would you like to come?
From Dad.
Yeah?
From Dad, thank you.
अरे यार, it is really.
I will
He
tell
is-
these things to him.
He is the idealistic person. He is just he is the transformer of millions of lives. You should name him the transformer of millions of lives.
Sir,
Yeah?
who?
Prashant sir, Professor Prashant Chavan. We have a good class there opposite Pune College. We have 2 classes over there called Prashant classes. You can come and you can meet him someday. But sir ऐसे मिलते तो नहीं है जल्दी से, but आप लोग अपॉइंटमेंट लेकर आ सकते हैं because he is a person who is making careers of people. मैंने टीचर्स बहुत देखा हूँ, बहुत सारे टीचर्स से मिला हूँ, बात किया हूँ, but no one is making career. बहुत कम, there are very rare people who are making careers. ये आप लोग को शायद आज समझ में नहीं आएगी बात, बिकॉज आप लोग शायद एज से छोटे हैं बात समझने के लिए, बट कल के दिन आपको समझ में आएगी जब करियर के अंदर आगे जाएंगे आप लोग, तो करियर बनाने वाला कौन होता है? ही इज कॉल्ड मेंटर। उनके लिए गाइड बोलना भी बहुत छोटा वर्ड रहेगा। उनके लिए अगर मैं बोलूंगा टीचर है, वो भी बहुत छोटा वर्ड रहेगा। उनके लिए अगर मैं बोलूंगा प्रोफेसर है, वो भी बहुत छोटा वर्ड रहेगा। दे आर मेंटर। What do you mean by mentor? Mentor is the person who is just holding up your hand and taking you to the destination, just to see you at the up on the sky. उन लोग को कुछ नहीं चाहिए होता है, उन लोग को सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहिए होती है कि ये बंदा ऊपर चाहिए मुझे। This is what called satisfaction. This is called adding life to years, rather adding years to life. Getting it? Yeah. Continue. Okay, Mr. Sahil, I have taken too much time. I'm really sorry for this one. But see, I believe आज के लेक्चर में जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाया है, those are the things which are worth billions. Worth
Yes,
billions. जिसने seriously लिया समझो सीख गया, और जिसने नहीं लिया So may God help that person. Okay, Mr. Sahil, can you please come on the camera?
Sir, I will also going to speak now.
Yeah, you are also going to speak there. You just came out from out. That's why I'm just giving you some kind of relaxation right now, just for two
No,
five
sir,
minutes.
it's okay.
You are going to come there. Okay, Mr. Sahil. Good.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sahil, and today's my topic is never give up. I'm going to talk about never give up. If I hold mic in my hand, addressing such a elite gathering, just because uh, I am audible, such a big gathering, just because, sir, can I speak?
Yeah, yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sahil, and today my topic is never give up. If I hold my hand and I'm addressing such a elite gathering, and if I'm audible, such a big gathering just because of power. Ladies and gentlemen, don't judge me wrong. I am not talking about muscle power. I am talking about the effort, the electricity Thomas Edison made uh, to to invent the bulb. He did back-breaking effort to achieve his goal. But do we really know during course of his mission, he get failed many times. He failed 100 times. In fact, he failed 10,000 times. Every time he failed, enthusiasm get double to reach his goal. And he said, um, "I just found 10,000 ways to achieve my to that don't works. A dark night turn into bright day, a bright day turn into darkness. Life is all about ups and downs, we joys and sorrows, the failure and success. Nothing stays permanent in the process of big achievement. All the obstacle, problem, and challenges are the opportunities to prove uh, our ability and potential. My dear friend, all the opportunities and obstacle is the great time to groom ourselves. Muhammad Ali is the greatest heavy boxer in the sport of history. Someone asked him uh, how many sit-ups would do. He replied, I never count my sit-up. I only start counting when it start paining, when it start hurting. How many uh, miles we have work, how many works we do will not actually count. Um, it only gets count when we do extra running, when we work extra, that takes us to our our achievement. And former president APJ Abdul Kalam said, difficulties never come in our life to destroy us, they just help us to realize our hidden push potential.
Very good. Very good. Keep on.
Okay, sir. It's a big topic, so I am face little bit
Bravo.
Nice.
deliver.
Done.
Yes, sir.
This is amazing. See, you were speaking, you have taken a very amazing topic and you have motivated the students over here. I'm really thankful of yours. Apart from this one, I'm just coming back to your English, my dear, that you were putting there some like kind of conjunctions unnecessary, like for example, and see, yesterday I told Nirvan as well that he was committing a mistake, and that was what? And don't put there unnecessary ands, because those are the ands which are making your article a little bit fishy, and where people are thinking that you are from vernacular medium and you're learning English from a local page. So this is what, just don't put their ands. The way you are speaking, it is really awesome, and the way you have introduced it, it is really means awesome. I loved it. Keep up, my dear, keep up. I'm really happy for this one. Good.
Okay,
Keep
sir.
up. Very good, very good. Keep on rocking. Good. Keep up. I'm really happy for this thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mr. Nirvan. Yeah,
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
Sir, my
Anything?
topic is sports. Can you show that?
Oh, sports. Okay, why don't you tell about your today's day? Why don't you share anniversary?
Yeah.
Would you like to?
No, sir.
No?
Sir, I'm not mentally prepared with that.
Okay, okay. Okay, no problem. So you want to speak up on sports, right?
Yeah, sir. Sir, the it's on page number 2. 3, yeah, 3.
Yes, here it is. Yes. Take it now. Okay?
Sir, stopwatch.
No, today we are not going to read with stopwatch. I want you to go unlimited. How much you can just speak up. No problem at all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Could you come on the camera? Oh, thug life. You. Nice. Goggles and all.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
No, it was cool.
No, sir. Actually, that filter was on, I think so.
Okay, no problem, no problem. See, it's cool. Continue.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nirvan Chavan. I'm 14. I'm a student. I'm in class 9. So today I'm going to speak about sports. So first of all, let me tell you what sports. Sports is a physical activity which is most probably done in a playful way, which is help us to be physically fit also, and it makes us fun. I like cricket as my favorite sports, and even I like badminton, swimming, and cricket is my favorite sports, and it would always be. I often watch cricket on TV, and even if cricket is not streaming live, I also watch cricket highlights because I just love cricket and I love to play cricket. And even if and my favorite team in cricket is India, as it's my country, and I'm really proud to be an Indian. And even if there is not the match of Indian team, then also I watch cricket match of other teams because I just love cricket. And the most popular sports in our country is also cricket, because people in India love cricket. And the love for cricket in India inspired from 1983, when India won their first World Cup, and that time our captain was Kapil Dev. And and even because of Sachin Tendulkar, he is considered as the god of cricket, and he has scored, and he has a 100th century, and he's an Indian. So Indians just love watching cricket, and I am also one of them. In my family, cricket is an important role because everyone in our family just play cricket, and in our family, physical health is the most important. If you play any sports, but you should be physically fit, and cricket is one of them. People in our country uh, People in our country are not much fit, or not fit, because some people do physical activity, some don't, and that's why I think that everyone should be physically fit by playing sports. Because if you don't have time for doing exercise, then you should at least play sports, because it will entertain you and even make you physically fit. Thank you.
Good, good. See, this time you are speaking really awesome, as you are considering all the points and talking about those points at least 2 to 5 lines. I really happy for this one. And especially, I would like to see that you are quite improving nowadays. And I would like to tell you, just only introduction part should be awesome. Okay? And the last part of conclusion. Same thing I would like to tell Mr. Sahil, that the conclusion should be awesome. The moral of the story. See, I'll tell you one more thing. The moment when you are talking about IELTS in exam, speaking, you coming with three things. Number one, introduction, main body, and conclusion. So conclusion should be in 2-3 lines, and introduction should be in 2-3 lines. So it should be awesome. why do you like sports, and what would you like to tell, and what would you like to suggest the students about the sports and all. See, sports are really very good activities, and you should prefer at least one sport which could be done physically daily, so that you could fit yourself, you could keep yourself very very fit. Is that clear? So this could
Sir,
be your
I thought this yesterday only that I will say which sports, but today I forgot many points which I had to tell.
No problem, no problem. So I'm just telling you, so you can just summarize it in last 2-3 lines and you can tell the conclusion. All right, so this was a really great session today, and we have learned so many things, and I hope that you're going to work on it. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. All right,
No, Sayonara, have a nice day.
cheerio,
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Sayonara, sir.
have a nice day
Right.
and pay the fee.
Sir,
Goodbye.
we have to.
Yes,
Bye.
sir.